Look at my plant babies, they're so cute. Look at them. I'm going to tackle this little mess on the floor to try and make it at least a little better. There, I got it a little cleaned up, see? Nothing there, which is good. Okay, I got the corner kind of cleaned out over here now, which is good. There's my records over there, you can't even tell. Has the yarn in the wagons, which I still own. But there's a bunch of yarn that I need to purge. Putting on some bread. Some pre-mixing. Or this is before I mix the mixture. Can't even tell. The dough is all mixed minus the cheese. Gotta let it rest for a little bit. Camera does not want to focus. This is what it looks like. It looks like right now. That's what it looks like. This is before the proofing. Looks a little weird, but hopefully it'll be good. I think we're ready to go. The bread is out of the oven. It looks so good.